Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can create a Word document or doc file in Canva in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your Canva account, navigate to the home section if you're on a current document right now. And here guys, click into that plus button in the top left to create a new design. Select docs from the left hand side and choose the type, for example, digital, pageless, A4 and so on and so forth. I will go with A4. It will open in a new tab. So here guys, you can start adding adding content and text to your document. Start by typing, I don't know, ABC123. And then you can use, for example, various text formatting tools here. Change the font size, font color, apply bold letters, italic letters. For instance, insert a bulleted list, a numbered list, change the letter spacing. So let me skip to the next line, add a second bullet point, and so on and so forth. You can also use the quick actions here by clicking into it and then click into this button here and then choose one of these options, like, I don't know, add a title, text body, table, a vertical divider, and so on and so forth. So like on Microsoft Word, for example, or Google Docs. So guys, how can you save your text document here on Canva in Docs? Well, it will be set to PDF on default, but you can switch to a Word document /docs by clicking into Share in the top right. Next, click into Download. And here under File Type, switch to Docs, so that you can open it afterwards in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Select the page size, which will be A4 in this case. Click into Download. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to open it via Microsoft Word or Google Docs. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.